Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to show you how to write code in Dataflow Modeling. This is the half adder circuit, a simplest example. And this is its block diagram. In Dataflow Modeling, we don't require gate level schematic because it is higher level of abstraction. In this type of coding, we can hide internal details of the circuit. Instead, we focus on the functionality of the circuit. We implement logic equations irrespective of the internal circuit. We use logical equations. Here, the module starts with the keyword module and ends with keyword module. For sum and carry output, we don't require gate primitives. We use continuous assignment statement. This is assigned along with logical operators. For some output, we use XOR operator instead of gate primitive. We can replace this XOR gate with the XOR operator, which is shown in between A and B. So similarly, for carry output, we required a dot operator instead of gate primitive. It is simple. Have a look at binary addition rules and it produces the same output. The full code is here. It consists of only a few lines. This is the difference between Dataflow modeling and gate level modeling. Let's simulate the code in EDA Playground. This is the EDA Playground window, and here is our design module in Dataflow modeling. All of the settings remain same. Select this simulator and tools and check EPVA form. And this is the code, and there is the difference between these two lines, and this is test band code. It remains same. I discussed it in gate level modeling, and I am not going to discuss here. Let's simulate the circuit. So there are A, B, C, and D. I don't want to show these waveforms repeatedly. We have two inputs and two outputs. At 0 nanosecond, both inputs and both outputs are 0. At 10 nanosecond, after 10 nanosecond, B goes high and sum goes high. Carry remains low. At 20 nanoseconds, A goes high, sum still high, while B and carry are 0. At 30 nanosecond, A and B both are high, carry goes high while sum goes low. This is the code, and it is very simple. Only these two lines are different. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.